Good morning, students of this reasoning group from the Children Public School. Today we are going to start our previous topic which we were doing yesterday, which is how to find the square root of a number. And I already given you the images of the note which I have written here, which is the questions unit digit and the answers unit digit. If the questions unit digit is 1, so the answers unit digit must be 1 or 9. For example, I'm going to give you example here so you can understand properly, which is like 9, square of 9 and the square of 1. If we square 9, we will get 81. If we square 1, we will get 1. So there is only two conditions in which we will get 1 as a unit digit, which is if the unit digit is 1 from question, the answers unit digit must be 1 or 9. Again, in the second condition, if the question's unit digit is 4, then the answers unit digit must be 2 or 8, and so on. Okay, now I have written here the square numbers till 10, from 1 to 10. Okay, so it will useful while doing question. Now one more thing I have to tell you, the note is given here. If the unit digit of a question is 2, 3, 7 or 8, then it is not a perfect square. Okay, remember it. अगर आपका जो यूनिट डिजिट है वो 2, 3, 7, 8 ये दिया हुआ है, तो याद रखिए वो एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है, और परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होने की ना होने की वजह से हम इजीली आंसर फाइंड नहीं कर सकते. वी विल गेट so much difficulties while finding answers, and if we find the answer we will get the answers in decimals. Okay, and here we have to find the square root of the perfect square. Okay, so I'm going to give you a question so that it must be get clear in your mind. Okay, the first question is, I will start with a very simple question so that it can be understandable easily. So 576, I will take 576. So we have to find the square root of 576. I already told you the trick. Now I am going to apply here the trick so that it must be get clear in your mind. Okay, 576. The first step is to make the pairs 76 and 5. 76 is one pair in which unit digit, the whole number's unit digit is 6. So the unit digit of the answer must be 4 or 6, because the question's unit digit is 6, then the answer's unit digit must be 4 or 6. So 4 or 6. Okay, now the second step is you have to see the second pair, which is 5. 5 is from between 2's square, which is 4, and the 3's square, which is 9. 4 and 9. Okay, so we will take the previous one, which is 2. Okay, we had to take the prior one with upper one. Okay, so we will take 2, and always we have to take the upper one. Okay, whether which is 4 or 6 or 7, so we have to take the upper one, which is 6 or 5. Okay, so 2, we have taken 2, and answer must be there 24 or 26. Only two numbers are there. Now we have to choose one from these two numbers. How will we do it? So the next step is we have to see the second pair, which is 5. Now we have to see 5 is the nearest to 4 or 9. So 5 is nearest to 4, which is upper one, so we have to take upper one, which is 24. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt? The 5 is nearest to 4, that is why we are taking upper one. Okay, nothing to do. We just have to look at the question, look at the numbers, and we have to write the answer. So answer is 24. Got it? Now one more question we will take. We will take 7 5 6 9. Okay, we have to find square root of this number. Question number 2. How we will do this question? We just have to see, we just have to make a pair, two pairs, 7 5 6 9, two pairs. Now unit digit is 9, so answer must be, if the unit digit of the question is 9, then the unit digit of the answer must be 3 or 7. Okay, first step is completed. Now the second step, we have to see the second pair, and we have to see the second pair is between which two square numbers. So 75 is from between 64 and 81. 64 and 81, so we have to take the upper one, which is 8, so we will take 83 or 87. Answer must be 84, 83 or 87. Okay, now we have to choose one from these two numbers. How we will do? Again we will go to the pair second, 75, and now 75 is the nearest to 64 or 81. So 75 is the nearest to 81, which is the lower number. So we will take the lower number, which is 87. So 87 is the answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? Here we will taking the below number because 75 is the nearest to below 1. So we will take the below number. Is it clear to all of you? Now next question is we can take 2401. 2401. Now how we will do? Again we will make pairs. Now this time I will do little bit faster. 1 is the pair, 1 is the unit digit, so answer must be 1 or 9. Now second pair is 24. 24 is the nearest to between 16 and 25, so answer must be upper one, 4, 141 or 49, and 24. Again we will see the second pair, 24. 24 is the nearest to the 25, which is 5 below 1, so answer must be 49. Answer will be 49. Okay, I have done it in this question. I have done it only in 30 seconds. So now again I am going to give you a question. Question is, you have to find the square root of 4356. Okay, so yes, 4356. Okay, now you have to find this question. Here I am ending this video. After completing the video, you have to solve this question and send the answer in the group right now. And if you have any doubt, if you have any doubt related to this question, related to this concept, so ask about this trick in the group right now, so that I can clear it, because this is the last day. Bye students.